Welcome to the channel. In a move that sent shockwaves through the tech world, Intel, a titan of the semiconductor industry, just announced an $8.5 billion funding cut. But what does this mean for the future of the company? And could it be a major setback for US tech dominance? Stay tuned as we break it all down. Intel has long been the backbone of global technological innovation, known for its powerful microprocessors that power everything from personal computers to data centers. For decades, it has played a pivotal role in shaping the digital landscape. But lately, the company has been facing increased competition, supply chain challenges, and pressure to accelerate innovation. So what led to this significant funding reduction, and what does it mean for Intel's future? First, let's break down the factors behind the funding cut. Intel's $8.5 billion reduction is largely driven by internal restructuring, strategic shifts, and the reality of an increasingly competitive tech market. One of the key drivers of this cut is Intel's struggle to maintain its dominance in the face of rising competitors. Companies like AMD, TSMC, and Samsung are rapidly advancing in semiconductor technology, posing a serious challenge to Intel's market share. While Intel has historically been the leader in chip design, AMD has been making major strides with its Ryzen processors, while TSMC has become the world's largest contract chip manufacturer. Both have forced Intel to reassess its position in the market. Intel's response? A shift in strategy, focusing on higher priority areas like artificial intelligence, autonomous driving, and next-generation computing. But this means scaling back funding in less critical segments, which is where the $8.5 billion cut comes into play. Another factor contributing to Intel's financial reevaluation is the global semiconductor shortage. While demand for chips remains high, the production challenges, coupled with the pandemic's lingering impact, have led to a less than ideal economic environment for Intel to thrive. Like many companies, Intel is feeling the effects of these disruptions, and they've had to make difficult decisions in order to stay competitive in a rapidly evolving tech landscape. However, this funding cut doesn't signal a retreat. It's part of Intel's larger strategy to reinvent itself. The company is doubling down on research and development, hoping to secure its place as a leader in next-gen chips, including those used for AI and quantum computing. Intel is betting on AI and quantum computing as the future of tech, and they're focusing their resources on these high-potential areas to lead in the innovation race. But can they bounce back in time to preserve their market dominance? Intel's struggle raises a bigger question. Is this a setback for US tech dominance as a whole? The semiconductor industry has long been a cornerstone of the US economy, contributing not just to national security, but to technological leadership globally. As Intel navigates this funding reduction, it's clear that the competition is intensifying. Countries like China and South Korea are heavily investing in their own semiconductor capabilities, and companies like TSMC are positioning themselves as global leaders. While the US remains a leader in innovation, the global balance of power in tech is shifting. And with the rise of China's tech ambitions, there's growing concern that US companies like Intel may fall behind if they don't adjust quickly enough. To combat this, the US government has introduced the CHIPS Act, aimed at bolstering domestic semiconductor production. But will this be enough to give companies like Intel the edge they need in the face of fierce global competition? Intel's $8.5 billion funding cut is a pivotal moment for the company, but it's also a sign of the shifting tides in the global tech industry. As they regroup and realign their strategies, one thing is clear: the future of semiconductors will be shaped by bold decisions, innovation, and the global race for tech dominance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all the latest tech insights.